My second congratulations. Of course, you are now a full-fledged member of the Philippine National Police. My congratulations is for you to stay the same, no? From recruitment until not only retirement, until the end of our lives. Dapat we maintain the same character, the same attitude.
As I reflect on our training, I can say that this journey has been one of the most challenging yet rewarding experience of my life. From the early morning formation, the physical exercises, classroom discussions, and practical activities. There were moments when I felt exhausted and wanted to give up. But these challenges taught us resilience and perseverance. This training taught us that being a police officer is not only about enforcing the law, but also about serving the people with integrity, respect, and compassion.
I would like to acknowledge the presence of our guest of honor and speaker, Police Major General Roy B. Parena, the Director of Philippine National Police Training Institute.
We gather to celebrate a milestone that is both significant and meaningful. The successful completion of 6 months of rigorous training that has transformed a group of aspiring recruits into disciplined and capable future police officers. Over the past 6 months, you have been tested physically, mentally, emotionally, and morally. You have endured demanding training, embraced discipline, learned the value of teamwork, and developed the skills and character expected of members of the Philippine National Police.
The hardship we face together have strengthened our bond and prepared us for responsibilities that await us in the service.
To the parents, families, and loved ones who are with us today, these achievements belong to you as much as it belongs to our trainees. Behind every successful recruit is a family that offered unwavering support, countless sacrifices, prayers, encouragement, and understanding.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the Regional Director, Police Regional Office 8, and in my capacity as the Acting Chief, Regional Education and Training Division, I hereby accept the 270 members of the Public Safety Basic Recruit Course Batch 2025-01 classes Alpha to Echo who successfully passed all the requirements of the 6 months PSBRC training in good physical and mental condition.
Now that our training has officially come to an end, it deeply saddens me to know that this may be the last time we will share these moments together as a class. As we move forward, may we carry the values of discipline, honor, and humility, and also the dedication. Let us always remember that wearing the uniform is a privilege and responsibility to protect and serve our community.
May your service always bring pride to your families, honor to the Philippine National Police, and lasting positive impact to the communities you are sworn to protect and serve. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Mabuhay ang Philippine National Police at mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas. Damo salamat, daghang salamat kayong tanan.